Hi, Unique. I'm glad to see your work up here. First, I think your logo is really good. I think you need to make more of it. Um, if we're talking about hierarchy, the first thing I see is your picture, and then my eye goes to your logo, and then up to this typeface. I'm wondering what this is. I'm not sure if it's Times New Roman or what, but basically you have a lot going on. You have a sans serif font, you have a serif font, you have spread out tracking, spread out kerning. You've got you got that over here with the date. The date is spelled wrong. Then you've tabbed over here with like a little dash. And then the tracking over here with your address is different. So you've got a lot of messages with the typography going on. So my main recommendation is to pick one size for anything that is not a headline, and then one way of doing it, like out the spread out words, the spread out tracking, that's like a whisper. It's sort of like a pause. So if you really want somebody to pay attention, you spread it out like that. So it does make sense for your subheads, objective, skills, experience. But to do that here with the description is a little bit hard to read. So again, you've got a different typeface here. So pick one, like if you like sans serif, it is a contemporary look. Pick that, make it all size 12. Don't put any spacing into it. Be consistent. Same with over here. Be consistent with size and alignment. I don't think you need to duplicate majoring in graphic design. What people do instead of that, they put the anticipated date of graduation. And are you getting a AS? Are you getting a BFA? Or are you getting a diploma? Whatever it is, you say like BFA 2021 graphic design. That's how they do it. Anyway, so back to your face and your logo. You don't need your name up here. I would make the unique design bigger. That is a really strong logo. And then, maybe take your name and put it underneath your face. You don't need that word contact info. It's obvious that it's contact info. All right, so just streamline. And these are all basically the same. They have kind of a different background going on. I do like that your logo is a little more prominent. It kind of gets the open design like that gets a little bit lost. How about instead of your name so giant like that, put this unique design there and then put your name underneath, maybe in white. I don't know, some thoughts, but just number one with typography, be consistent. Does that make sense? If it doesn't, let me know. I will reword it. Bye.